Okay, well we're waiting for the grass to grow over here. We're gonna go and work over here and figure out what bearings we need. What size are these gonna be?
Don't know.
Me either. There's a washer in there.
Well, that fits.
Did you clean this out yet?
I did.
Was it clean?
It was pretty clean.
Pretty clean?
Yeah, not much in there.
Pretty clean is better than not clean at all.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go like this. What size were these?
I think they're like 4,000 silver.
4/10 silver.
Oh.
4 thou would be a lot.
Yeah, that would be a lot.
That'd be 8 thou total.
Oh yeah, 4 on each side.
I'm already seeing it's pretty tight. It's going to be loose with standard, but it's going to be tight with these. They might work. I don't know. They might actually fit in there. Look at that. I'm shocked.
Wow.
These might actually work. Yeah, this thing's taking 4 over. Look at that.
Was there even bearings in there before? I don't remember.
There, you had shrapnel in there for bearings. But we're not using any of your parts.
No.
This is new counter shaft and a new cluster gear to you.
Mm-hmm.
It's new to you, not new.
Well, the counter shaft is brand new.
It was brand new, yeah. But the bearing cluster gear was used. But obviously it was used up pretty good. Okay, so we have that's enough rollers in there. We don't put them all in there. So you go over here and you feel how much clearance you got. So you got clearance in there?
Mm-hmm. A little bit.
You go this way and you go up and down. Up and down. That way. You do the 45s. Then the last thing you do is you rotate it, make sure it spins freely. Okay, so 4/10 works on that side. I'll do the other side. Now, if one side is 4, do you think they're both 4?
No. Those don't look like they're the right size.
We didn't get bearing, did we?
It's
It's gone.
yeah.
It's good we got it. Yeah, this one's a little tighter. That was right there. It hit my foot. Yeah, it must have went under there somewhere. Yeah, I know where it is. I'll go look for it later. Yeah, it looks like it's going to take it. Maybe.
That would be too good to be true.
It feels like it's tighter.
I think it'll be too big.
It's actually pretty loose.
That's what I meant. The space is too big. It'll need bigger.
It's actually a little looser. See how the jiggle jiggles more?
Yeah. The space for the bearings is larger, so it'll probably need larger bearings.
Okay, 3s and 4/10 all the way across the board.
Really?
Yep. Break open another pack of 4/10. I hope these are 4/10 silver like they claim. If not, we're going to have a problem.
It says Dave.
That came from Dave. Those are Dave's bearings. Oh, look at that. There's missing rollers everywhere under here. Does it look like one we need?
Maybe.
So there you go. Dave came through again.
Thanks, Dave.
Where's the grease?
Right there.
Here's the washer up.
Right there.
Got a good part and a bad part.
That's better.
I don't know, they look about the same. Rusty.
That's being optimistic.
Put some grease in there then.
Yeah. That's a lot of grease.
We don't want it to fall out.
No.
I got a rag.
I wonder how they make grease.
Do a bunch of cum in a container. Throw a little oil in there and mix it all up.
Some dye.
Number 3 dark blue food dye.
Mm-hmm. That sounds right.
You're good to go.
Yeah. Like the preservation
If you have
qualities of a bunch
yeah.
of cum.
And you have if you have a couple of dead cows laying around or a hog,
Oh, yeah.
you can throw the guts in there too.
Mm-hmm.
You'll be
That'll
good.
really preserve it.
That'll make it work good. It'll be just like new.
And you can lubricate anything.
That's right. If they still had whales out there, you could use whales, but can't have whales anymore.
Well, they got whales out
I
there.
heard they were extinct now.
Well, there's a ton of whales, but they just don't let people hunt them anymore.
All I see is dead ones on the beach anymore, so I think they're all dead out there.
This red tide we had is going to be a record setter for San Diego County. And the nitrogen levels in the water from all the algae and stuff, it supposedly kills a bunch of shit.
Good. We'll have to put some rectum catalytic converters out there on every one of the algae.
Yeah.
I'm sure California will be all over that.
Yeah. Oh,
There's a missing roller.
but they're full. Did one fall out and you just put another one in there?
Yep. Got some grease here too. Look at that. Where's your washer that used to go in there?
It's probably over there.
Looks like this one.
Yeah.
Yours is junk. This is a new one. This is new to you. Remember that.
Yeah.
All this stuff new to you.
That's
Except for the
okay.
inner washer. The inner washers are your old ones.
Well, they were new to me. They were new to me. I mean, I didn't always know them. I wasn't born with them.
No, those were inside of your original training.
Original rust. You got to keep some of the original guys in there.
That's right.
Show those new boys how it's done.
You know, need some more wall rollers. It appears that you're short on rollers.
Dave's coming through though, right?
Not yet. I haven't used Dave yet. I just used up Dad's old rollers.
Oh.
Those are from Harley 45 rollers.
But they're still the same size, huh?
It's the same one. Okay, that's all of them?
Maybe.
I got a bunch of these negative 4 or 5 10s. So use those. What are these? 4 10s. There you go. There's about half a bag of them in there. Looks like Dave's bag's already opened those. So we use Dave's stuff. I think Dave doesn't have enough for Dave already, because I think we're going to need more of these. Because we're going to need 44 more for the other side over there. We haven't got to that far yet. Is Dave going to know I'm using his rollers up now?
Only if you post this video.
See, Dave's rollers are different. See how they're flat instead of rounded?
Yeah.
So now you know when they fail, you know which one's failed.
Well, maybe it wasn't Dave. Maybe it was yours.
Well, mine are good.
How do we know that?
'Cause I said they were.
Well, Dave says his rollers are good too.
Yeah, but mine were tested in a 45. Okay, we have to leave one out because there's enough room for all of them in there. So you go to an oversize, they don't fit, see. So you want to be in short one roller.
Extra grease, baby.
That's it. Okay. Oh, we didn't put the cluster gear in, damn it. I asked you if anything was done on the press. You said yes. I remember you distinctly. You said it was done.
Well, how was I supposed to know?
You should have known this. Because you said you wanted a speedo gear. You said you didn't want it, then you said you did want it, so... I'm going to put that on there. It doesn't fit now. See, that doesn't fit.
Why doesn't it fit?
You have to go in this direction.
Oh.
See, that's been peened, not peened. Well, it's been peened on both sides. So you pushed on that side right there. If the bearings all fall out, you got to pick them up.
Okay.
Where's your tube at?
tube.
Yeah, hold it square and straight.
I don't have one.
So I'm just gonna have to go, I guess. Well, that is really, really tight.
Really, really tight.
That is not going on there. That was supposed to go on there. There it goes.
An F350.
Oh, that is tight. No, that was only a 250. It was an F150 because it's only 1 ton.
Oh.
It was flashing a 2 to get it started, but I backed off on the pressure a little bit. Okay, see, we're still going down further. So I gotta get in there even, see. A little bit more. Not go anymore. I think we're gonna quit. Okay, you're installed now.
Alright.
Now you're gonna have a speedo. Feeling special?
I do feel special. Haven't had a Speedo in a long time.
We're gonna make sure this fits. That one fit. That one fit. Oh, this is dirty though. This can't be dirty.
Why?
Because it can't be. I have to put it through the case. We don't want any grease on the sealed area. So we put our seal over here. We want to make sure there's no grease on it because I have to put a sealer on it. If there's a bunch of grease in there, it won't work.
Makes sense.
Sometimes I do. Not always though. How's our grease trap going over here?
Pretty good.
Ooh, looks like it's all the way around. Good deal. What's our in-play checker?
Is that another special Tatro tool?
I don't have one.
Your hand? Is that your hand play checker?
Yeah, that's one of the tools here I need though. There you go. One more. Where's the other one? Is it all of them?
I'm not sure.
It's your tranny. How can you not be sure?
I don't know. I don't really remember what it looked like before other than rusty and brown.
Multiple colors of brown?
Yeah, goop. I've never really seen the inside of this thing, honestly. Why does it have that? Oh, so that can rotate on it, huh? Is that third gear?
Second.
Oh.
Counter shaft second. That's counter shaft. Main shaft's over there.
Mm-hmm.
What's this?
That's a washer. Thrust washer.
Counter shaft second thrust washer. What's this?
Snap ring.
Counter shaft second snap ring. Appears to be bent. I think somebody over bent that taking it out.
That might have been me.
Somebody would possibly want to replace that.
That's not a good part.
It's getting to be good.
Wonder if that guy made it back to Vegas.
It looks good to me.
Yeah, like new.
Tested.
He's probably there by now if he drives fast. There's like no traffic.
Yeah. He didn't leave right away though.
Oh.
Have to go load up his car with other crap.
Go party some more.
Maybe.
You gotta get a little party on before you hit the road. Nice send off.
I'll just towards the top of the hill for that.
Hmm?
The liquor store's at the top of the hill. Okay, we got a problem here.
It's not going on.
There it goes. Where's my installation tool?
Right there.
Look at that. Goes right down. I get the hand for it. Make sure it's in there all the way. Kind of rotates a little bit.
Yeah, pretty tight.
Got in play in it. Okay, which gear you want to be high gear? Low gear.
Side that says high, probably.
Okay, which one of these is the best? This is used.
The more square side.
I'm thinking this is worse. So we'll make that low gear. Second gear goes up.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot a washer and all the rushing to get this done.
Rushing.
Yeah, rushed. You rushed the parts.
I'm rushing you.
Yeah. I don't see it. There it is. Kicker shaft is blocking the view. That goes right there. Something's got to keep it from sliding through. So.
No. See, when you look through the book at how to do this, the book makes it seem like it's impossible to do.
It is. Look at that. Where's the rust washer?
It's probably in that pile.
It's over here.
Why does it have holes in it? Scooby, you fart again?
You're not supposed to say it on video.
Oh.
Use air freshening.
He's equilibrating.
You think that'll work? Scooby, did you come over to visit? Or did you just need air? Don't go in the other room.